yes, you see I'm smiling there because I finally made it to this beautiful place. This is what we call Malaysia, a vibrant country with melting pots of races and culture. Hi there, welcome back to my another vlog. Today I'm going to take you for 83 kilometers from Seremban to Malacca city. Nearly 83 kilometers that I'm starting from Seremban. So yep, here am I taking you along this full video and to show you what's my riding status, how I feel, what the scenery I saw, and of course those editings I did by myself using the DJI Osmo 360. So yeah, just some creative editings. We are now heading to Malacca city. It's a historical heritage city, UNESCO. And yeah, I've been planning for this trip for quite some time, and actually I wanted to do it for a long time, and I didn't have the time to do it due to my busy workload. And yeah, and this trip just recently I have 4 days off, so I managed to squeeze in this wonderful road trip to Malacca city. So as you can see here, I was actually riding through the countryside, through the oil palm estates, which is very common in Malaysia. Of course, I departed Seremban is around 8:15, and yeah, I'm not those endurance racer or even those better player. I managed to reach Malacca around by 4 p.m. So this is Pedas, so it's quite distant away from the place where I started, and now I'm going uphill. It's quite hectic here and quite tiring, but it was interesting. So I actually plan not to travel through towns. I chosen some old winding village roads, or through the forest, some gravels, So yeah, as you can see here, you can see a lot of greeneries around. Yeah, you can just enjoy the scene. So what did I've passed through? Alright, so I've managed to cycle around 40 over kilometers to Astana Raja. So from this roundabout, I'm going to keep left. After keeping left, then I've stopped by at the sandwich shop for a quick break with isotonic drink and some sweet brownie. Hamod detour me to a gravel road. So yeah, with the with the road bike, and currently I'm on the gravel. It's quite interesting. You need to be skillful enough to control, not to be too fast, not to be too slow, to avoid any fall. So these are the typical oil palm estates, if you've never seen before. Actually, the speed here is quite slow, so yeah, the editing make it feel like it's quite fast, right? So this along the way is quite nice, fresh air, without any stray dogs. Yeah, that is what all cyclists are afraid of. So yep, so I managed to go through, and I have another 33 kilometers left from Simpang 4, which is the border between Seremban Negeri Sembilan and Malacca. So now I'm actually along the way on Lembo AMJ, which is an AMJ highway towards Malacca city. And yes, now I'm entering Alo Gajah Old Town. So actually I didn't stop for lunch, At this time, if I'm not wrong, it's around 3 p.m. Yes, around 2:30 p.m, 2:30. So I stopped by here for chendol. As you can see, chendol is like a shaved ice with coconut milk, with some coconut sugar and some mixed condiments. So of course you can see now I'm on my face mask now. It's because it's too hot at this type of heat, and I still haven't have my lunch yet. And you see now I'm exhausted here. Actually I stopped for many stops. In the end I managed to arrive in Malacca city at 4 p.m. and 2 more kilometers I'm arriving at my final destination, which is the Jonker Walk, which is the tourist spot in Malacca. So yes, welcome to Jonker Walk after so many hours since 8:15 until 4 p.m. So yes, you see I'm smiling there because I finally made it to this beautiful place, looking at people wearing costumes, which is the Peranakan Baba Nyonya. And you see the crowd here, and wow, even this guy wearing such a beautiful clothes, you know. So this is what we call Malaysia, a vibrant country with melting pots of races and culture. And yeah, have a look. Okay, because of too much traffic going on, I decided to walk, and yep, strangers just look at me walking with a bicycle. So it's quite funny. But that was after, when I do editing on it, I managed to see. Okay, yeah, so that's all for my trip here, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much, and bye bye.